Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the slide size in Google Slides step by step. Changing the slide size is useful when you're creating presentations for widescreen displays, standard screens, social media, or custom dimensions. So let's get started. First, open Google Slides and open the presentation you want to edit. Next, go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click Page Setup. A small window will appear with the current slide size. Click the drop-down menu to see the available options. You'll find presets like widescreen 16:9, standard 4:3, and widescreen 16:10. Choose the slide size that best matches your needs. For example, if you're creating a presentation for most modern displays, you can select widescreen 16:9 and then click Apply. If you need a custom slide size, open Page Setup again and choose Custom from the drop-down menu. Enter your preferred width and height, select the measurement unit if needed, and then click Apply. Your presentation will instantly update to the new slide size. If any content needs adjustment, simply move or resize the text, images, or other objects to fit the new layout. Google Slides automatically saves all your changes, so you don't need to save the presentation manually. That's it. You have successfully changed the slide size in Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Slides tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.